Alright everyone, so we're going live talking about the motion for substitution of counsel on the case that's supposed to be closed, but it's not. Okay? Right here it says an officer of the court has the ethical duty to be honest. Marianne Archangelis failed to mention the statement she disclosed with Monica M. Griego at her previous residence, where she told Monica M. Griego with Mark A. Griego present as a witness that I met with Amanda Veracca off the record behind closed doors at the department, and she stated that she had no personal problems with your parenting and had nothing against you. Termination of parental rights trial, Marianne Archangelis chose to omit the truth and withhold from the court, which has caused an unfair trial for the client. Marianne Archangelis many times has failed to communicate with her client, Monica M. Griego, and has not provided information to give speedy trial in the above styled cause. Marianne Archangelis has taken Monica M. Griego to her personal residence, given money, bought items and gifts for Holly Griego and Esmeralda Griego, and mentioned at the February 2020 guardianship meeting held at the Lamberton Place office for the department to all parties at the meeting that she has a special friendship with her client Monica M. Griego, which is not true. Marianne Archangelis has failed to file motions for unsupervised visitations for her client, or a writ of mandamus to move the lower court to make a final decision on the guardianship. Furthermore, Marianne Archangelis has defended the department's actions several times, which does not defend her client's best interests. Monica M. Griego stated at the guardianship meeting in February 2020, where counsel was present, that she did not want the family therapy added to the guardianship due to presumed further delay of the case. Marianne Archangelis failed to honor her client's request. Counsel received an email where Monica M. Griego stated that she did not consent to the educational rights order where Irene T. Griego was given parental rights to make decisions in Holly Griego and Esmeralda Griego's education. To date, Monica Griego and Mark Griego's parental rights remain intact. There is no guardianship order for Irene T. Griego to exercise parental rights. Intervenor Irene T. Griego has, based on religious beliefs, failed to transport Holly Griego and Esmeralda Griego to school on February 14, 2020, due to Valentine's Day being celebrated at Mark Twain Elementary. Court-appointed Special Advocate Jordan Woodall was notified of this. Counsel advised client about educational neglect and failed to file a motion to return the children to the legal custody and control of the parents, knowing that Irene T. Griego will not honor the cultural preferences of Holly Griego and Esmeralda Griego. Marianne Archangelis has failed to zealously advocate on Monica M. Griego's behalf many times throughout this case and has proven to be ineffective as counsel. Marianne Archangelis has requested to be removed as counsel from the case. It is unclear when the original request was made due to failure to communicate with the client regarding this matter. By the execution of this motion, all parties indicate their agreement to this motion. Wherefore, premises considered, respondent prays that the court allow the substitution of counsel as set forth herein and allow client to appear pro se. And just to let you all know, that never happened. And so we have the certificate of service right here. It says this is to certify that a true and correct copy of the foregoing motion for substitution of counsel was served upon the attorney for the state on Monday, October 12, 2020. This court is fraudulent because they kept Marianne D'Archangelis on my case and they let her create a new case within a month of supposedly closing this case, which is fraudulent, according to Social Security Administration, that still is allowing multiple agencies to continue to use the 1696 form to claim that all children in America have disabilities and deserve disability benefits. And that means that CPS gets those benefits. They don't go to the children. They go to the foster parents that continue to abuse and neglect children and lie about it in court.